I just built an AI agent that runs my content, my inbox, and basically my admin life all while I sleep. And the best part is I only talk to it through WhatsApp. I barely ever open up a dashboard, never have to access a prompt library. I don't have some 14-tab automation stack. I simply just message it just like I would a team member. I close my laptop, and by the time I check WhatsApp again, my work is done. And this is all made possible by pairing Emergent with their new feature called Wingman. Essentially, Emergent is the real back-end system, and Wingman is how I actually interface with that system that helps me automate my life. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set this up for yourself and some crazy use cases you could use it for. Okay, so step one in this process is really the most important part, is that you are building out an app inside of Emergent. So I want to build a tool that allows me to automate sales outreach for my business. I own a window washing business in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I want to be able to find leads, reach out to them, track their responses, etc. We could see from right here that we can now attach files and images if we wanted this to look a specific way. We could choose what AI model this is actually going to use. In addition to that, we could come over to advanced controls right here, like we could give this access to a bunch of different MCP servers right here. Like if we're going to turn on memory, we'll be able to do it from here. Supabase MCP, Notion MCP, and any others that we want to add in there. So we're going to go off and we're actually going to build this app. And then what I'm going to show you is how we actually are able to attach Wingman, our 24/7 AI agent, to this app in order to actually automate things. And what's powerful about this is that Emergent is going to be the brain and the back end. We literally just described exactly what we wanted, and now this is literally going through, and this is actually spinning this up for us. It's asking us a few questions right here, and then this will actually be able to go through and build it. And it's going to build the front end, it's going to build the back end, it's going to build the database, the whole entire thing, and this is where a lot of this lives. And what's crazy about this is then once we actually pair this with Wingman, it doesn't need an API key. It doesn't need any of that because it's actually going to be able to access this app in order to be able to interact with it. And then once this actual app is built, we're going to have Wingman, which is going to be what holds our data and runs the logic. And it's actually going to be living inside of WhatsApp for this example is where we're going to be able to interact with it. And it's actually going to be the one interacting with this tool. What's great about this is it has extreme security actually built in. For things that are really low stakes, it won't ask permissions. For things that are high stakes, it's going to ask permissions. So you don't have to worry about something accidentally getting leaked, which by the way is a massive issue with other 24/7 AI agents. And essentially pairing Emergent and Wingman allows for security, ease of use, and true automation. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we can see that this built this out. It went through, tells us everything that actually exists here. It validated with a bunch of tests, all of a bunch of other stuff. And if we come over here to action items, this actually gives us other things that we should build next. These tests are something that I really want to stress out because as we could see right here, this testing agent went through and ran 8 different front-end UI changes. We could see that it's actually using browser automation to be able to do this. And what this did was actually make sure that all of the different front end flow passes. In addition to that, we could see that before that, this did 15 back end tests, including AI generation. And this right here is going to save you time. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you frustration because there's nothing worse than going back and forth with an AI coding tool or an app builder, trying to get it to actually do what you want, or when it builds something that looks beautiful and it doesn't actually function. But that's not going to be the case with this tool right here because of this testing agent. And it's really one of the biggest things that separates this because it actually gives you something that works and not just something that looks pretty, but you're going to spend hours or even days or hundreds of dollars trying to go back and forth fixing. We actually come over here to preview this. I want to give you a quick little preview of what it actually looks like. Now, in order to actually open this inside of a new tab, you're literally just going to come over here. You can see open a new tab. You simply click on this. And now this is going to open up full screen inside of another tab, just like this. So we could see that inside of here, we could see our dashboard. We could see our leads right here, which is pretty incredible. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could actually see the pipeline and we could see how things will actually move across the pipeline. We also have an AI finder right here, which will literally go through and find leads for us. Now, what we're able to do, if we come back over here, we can now see Wingman up here in the top left-hand corner. And what you're going to notice here is that we can now connect Wingman to anywhere. We can connect it to Telegram. We can connect it to WhatsApp. We could connect it to iMessage if we want to. For the sake of this, I'm actually going to connect it to WhatsApp. But what I also wanted to show you is how this integrates with all of these other tools so it can take action across them. It can actually have its own memory memory. You could give it a personality. In addition to that, we have a bunch of different skills that we could actually go through, browse, and be able to add in. And you're going to see permissions right here, which shows how this can actually be trained or be controlled to allow Wingman to run certain tools without asking first, or you could get it to ask first. Okay, so now I've actually connected this to my WhatsApp right here. We could see that it's saying I've got a memory of my own. The more that you teach me, the better I'm going to get. So I say to it, your name is Wingman. I need you to use the squeaky CRM that I just built with Emergent and do a few tasks. Task 1, update me on your current leads list. Task 2, update me on the current pipeline. Task 3, find me 16 new leads. We can see that this now literally went through, got the skills that I needed, went through and actually synced up with the CRM. And what's crazy is how many messages this is actually sending me in between each thing. Says that it's got everything, and now it asks who I actually want to go after. So I'm saying anybody that might need their windows washed. It goes through and checks the current lead list. So we could see that this goes through and actually tells me exactly what the CRM currently looks like right here, what all the stages are. So we have 9 new, we have 1 contacted, we have a bunch of different empty stages ready for action. We have our live preview right here. And then this went through and actually found me 16 other leads here. Now what's crazy is we could actually go through and read this entire message, and we can now get it to take action on our behalf. For example, reaching out to these leads. We could get it to move things forward. We could get it to basically just tell us, hey, this is what needs to be done. And what's even crazier about this is that if we actually come into our recent activity right here, we could see that our bot is actually taking actions. It's drafting emails right here. It's generating leads, which is pretty crazy. And if we actually look, I didn't actually click anything on my keyboard, and we could see that this is actually changing things and adapting things on the fly because of the WhatsApp conversation that I'm having. And what's even crazier is we could ask Wingman if we wanted to schedule things out, like send us this brief every morning or stuff like that. Now, before I walk you through all the other automations that I have set up in order to handle my content, my email, my admin life, I wanted to remind you to go to the pinned comment below, to spin up Emergent right now, build your apps in order to handle all the automations that you want, and then add Wingman on top of it so that you have your 24/7 agent team helping you actually get things done. Now, the first use case I wanted to show you here is actually how I built out this content operating system right here. We could see that I have a dashboard right here where I have an open pipeline. This clearly knows it's going to be chatting with Wingman. We could see total items, what's been published, what's been scheduled, what's actually inside of my pipeline right here. And now I can actually come back over here into Wingman and I can say something like, I need you to connect to create command now. I want to create and schedule content ideas for Claude Code, new features, and Google Gemini's new features. It'll be 2 different videos, get everything going on my OS. So by the time I get to the office, it's all ready for me to go in there. Now, what this is actually going to do is, again, this is going to go ahead. This is going to connect to our create command, which is going to be the app that we built. It's then going to go through, it's going to create and schedule different content ideas. And what this is actually going to do is this is going to update everything inside of the app that I actually made. And then this is going to allow us to be able to access all that from our computer. Now we could actually see if I come over to my phone that my assistant has been working right here, and we could come over here and we could see, great, this is all good. The content ideas are now scheduled. They've been generating and they're waiting for you. Everything is primed for when you get to the office. I hope you have a great session. And now if I go back to my computer, we could see that this has now been updated. We could see that I've got content that's going to be scheduled over here. I have content that's actually in my pipeline. And if I come over here, we could see all the stuff right here. And if we click into it, we got everything we need. We have our body in our script. We have our hook, we have our caption. This goes through all these different platforms. And guess what? What's even crazier about this is if we come back out here, we could see that we could connect it to LinkedIn. We could connect it to Twitter. We could connect it to Instagram. We could connect it to all these different tools. And this will even be able to take action on those platforms, like get my content or post to them or do so many other things, which is absolutely insane. Because not only can this help you with something like getting leads or keeping you up to date on your CRM or reaching out to people, it can also help you with managing your social media content like I just showed you. Now here's the next thing we're going to get Wingman to do. It's going to be use case number 2. I'm saying you have access to my calendar and my email every morning at 7 a.m. Please give me an update on what I have to do today on my calendar and important emails I need to get back to. In addition, give me priority items that I should tackle based on everything that you know about me. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to confirm that it has access to those things. It's going to go through and schedule this out. So this is going to happen every single morning. And now I am actually getting a brief before I ever get here. So we can see, sounds like a plan. Here's the setup. We have a delivery. We have our content. 7 a.m. work for you. I'm going to say, great. Please pull an example of this now. And then what this is actually going to go ahead and do is this is actually going to access my Gmail. It's going to access my calendar. You could see just how quickly this gets back to me. Gone are the days of you having to wait on a team member, of you having to have an admin that maybe gets sick or does whatever that they do and they don't actually do what you want. This does it all the time without messing up automatically. It's secure and you could change it whenever you want. We could see that this has now gone through everything right here that I have. So I have my morning brief on my calendar. My calendar is clear. That's because it's 3 p.m. So things are already done. Now this goes through a bunch of different emails that I have to pay attention to, different security alerts, and a bunch of other things that I should actually be paying attention to right here. Priority items. And this goes through exactly what this should do. Now, the last use case I wanted to show you here is actually that I built out this CRO tracker right here. So it's a conversion command center that I'm going to use for all of my businesses in order to track all the changes. So we could see it. We have a dashboard right here. We have different pages that this is going to be tracking, how much traffic they get per month, what the conversion rate is. We could come over to recommendations right here. And this literally goes through all of the outstanding recommendations. So we can mark them as done. We could start a test. We could dismiss them. And this even gives us what the expected impact is, which is pretty crazy. And if we come into experiments, this is where we're actually going to be able to track everything. And now what I'm going to be able to do is from Wingman, get this to update me every day, get this to brainstorm new things, get this to come up with other stuff. And again, I'm able to do all of this on the go. I'm able to do it 24/7. It can happen while I sleep. It can happen on any schedule that I want. And this literally allows you to build any app that you want, any database, any command setter, be able to link it to all those different integrations, and be able to automate anything that you want 24/7 in a secure manner. And this is all foolproof. Anybody could literally get started with this because you're literally just telling it in plain English exactly what you want, and it goes off and builds it. Okay, so now I'm coming over to my phone right here where I could say, I want you to connect to Track Convert 1, which is the name of the app that I built. And then I'm going to say, I want you to pull all the changes and experiments I should get started on the website today. List them out by priority, what's expected to have the biggest impact. I think I can make time for 3 or 4 updates today. Make sure you mark the ones that you give me as running in the system. So again, I'm able to make changes. I'm able to track them. This is able to actually handle everything that's going on my computer. So now literally, I think I could run my entire life from right here. So it says that it's jumping onto this right now to be able to pull this. It's going to rank them by impact, priority, so we can knock them out. It's going to give me 3 to 4 updates. It's also going to make sure that whatever we're actually running is going to be tracking inside of the system, so it will be able to stay accurate. And then in literally just a few seconds, this goes through and sends me everything that I have to do, all of the updates that I have to have. And this is incredible. It just finished loading the skill. It's moving on to the next step. Again, keeps me up to date on literally everything that it's doing. And this is awesome. I cannot explain how much easier this has made my life and how this is by far the best 24/7 assistant that I've ever gotten started with, because I pair it with all my tools, all my apps, build custom dashboards for it all from one place and be able to interact with it however I want. Okay, so now that this is actually done right here, we could see it's currently extracting the latest experiment recommendations from the project. Now it's just going through and it's actually ranking them by priority. And then this is going to drop me the full list. Literally every step of the way, this is letting me know what it's doing, why it's doing it. And now I have my prioritized list right here. So we can see this is exactly what we need to do. 1, single primary CTA. 2, outcome focused headline. 3, optimize mobile CTA buttons. 4, email only sign up. And now this literally goes through, tells me exactly what it expects from all this. And this has them all marked. And now if we go back to my computer, I'm going to see the same exact thing, full consistency, full memory, and full ability to be able to automate anything I could think of. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and spin up Emergent, build your app, and then connect your new 24/7 agent team on top of it via Wingman. Because Emergent's going to be the platform that everything runs on. Then once your app is live, adding your Wingman on top of it is incredibly easy.